Okay, I'll share my screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the group, sir, you could also like mention sir to everybody to join sir in the group, WhatsApp group.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, you have to get your phone, sir, near the laptop.
Okay, I have a network. So coding one. Okay, we have 24 participants. Yeah, now I think someone joining. So I don't know why it's. Okay, let's start. Ritvik is trying to join. Okay, guys, just open your program and just so screen one. We are going to program for screen one. Okay, so just open this page and click this one blocks. One minute. Okay, guys, now we are going to program.
Sir, just a minute, I'm opening, sir.
Sorry, Shreya.
Sir, I'm still opening, so you can
Okay.
wait
Yeah.
for
Okay.
some
Okay.
time, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Pranav, have you opened this app inventor. Pranav. Pranav, if you have any problem with your mic, you can leave chat. Yeah, good evening, Ritvik.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, okay. So just open your MIT App Inventor and open this page. Okay. So in screen one, just click blocks.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yes, Shreya, Pranav, and Ritvik. We are going to start programming for screen one, for this screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here the components are list view. Only list view we have used. List view. So in list view we have created a list of cities. Okay, so the program is, so when I select this, when I select any cities, like if I am selecting Mumbai, it will check, it will compare the text, it will compare the text. Okay, like it will compare the words, whether it is Mumbai, it will open the corresponding screen. Okay, so I'll show you. Sorry Pranav, actually I can't. mm, okay, I'll try to send link. 1 minute. Yeah Pranav, I've sent a link. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's start programming. So first is we are going to, so 1D component we have is list view, right? Just click list view. Okay, list view and label, two components. Okay, just click list view. Okay, so when this take this one, when list view after picked, just take this one, when list view after picked. Okay, so and then just click this one, control, go to control and take if then else. Okay, take if then else.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah Pranav, I can hear you. Yeah Pranav, I can hear you. Okay, so we have started program. So go to list view and take this one first, and then go to control and take this one, if then else. Okay, so this is a conditional statement. Okay, if these are conditional statement which we have, it is in control. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are going to compare the text. Okay, so just go to text, click text, take this one. Okay, can you see this, compare, and place it here.
Compare text.
Compare text, yeah. Just do this first, go to list view and take the first thing, the when list view one after picking, and then go to control, take if then else. Okay, and then go to text and take compare text. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Done, guys? Guys, complete.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I think my problem is fixed now.
Okay, bro. Okay. So you asked for link in group. Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So next step is, so we are going to compare the selected text. Okay. So we are going to compare the selected text. So for this, go to, just click this one, list view, click this list view, and take this one, the first one, and place it here. Okay, so click list view, take this one green color, well, list view 1 background color, but here we no need
Yes,
this, yeah, we no need this background color. Just click here and change it to selection, list view 1 selection. Just change it as list view 1 selection. Okay, so it's nothing but the selected city or selected text from the list view. Okay, just change it. Okay, click here and change it to selection. Okay, so and then can you see here, just change it to equal to.
okay, sir.
Okay, just change it to equal to. Okay, then click this text. Okay, okay, then click this text, take this first one, this one, first block, this empty block, take this one and place it here. Okay, so next step is go to text, take the first block, this block, it's an empty block. Okay, take this one and place it here, and then just go to the designer part. Okay, just go to designer part and check this word. The first city is Mumbai, right? So check this word, because this is case sensitive. Okay, so we have to give the exact name, exact with exact.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have given M as capital and Mumbai, so I'm just going to type here Mumbai. Okay, so it will check whether the selected text is equal to Mumbai, and then it will open the Mumbai screen. Okay, so this is a condition. If this condition gets satisfied, it will just open Mumbai screen. Okay, so first finish this one. So go to list.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Completed. Good. So others, Pranav and Ritvik. Pranav, Ritvik.
Yes, sir. I've done.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please show how you got that when
Yeah.
after picking to list one? That one.
Okay, Ritvik. Yeah. List view, in list view, first one, this
Yes,
one.
sir.
And when if
Okay, sir.
yeah, if then in control we have this one, if then control, sorry, if then else. Okay, okay, done. So the second,
Yes, I got it.
okay, so after finishing this, same. Okay, click control, scroll down. Okay, scroll down, you can find this one, open another screen. Okay, click this one, open another screen. Just take this and place it here and change. Here you can change the screen name. Open another screen, you have to select here screen name. Okay, okay guys, finish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Done. Good. So okay, so then we have to do this, do the same process for remaining screens. Okay, so for this, just copy this. Okay, just
So there's no use
I
of
haven't-
else, sir. Else wala.
no, we are going to use this. Okay, so just make a right click on this if and make a duplicate of this block like this. Okay, so now we are going to do for the second, that is Delhi, screen Delhi. Okay, so here just type Delhi. Okay, here just type Delhi and here just select the screen name Delhi. Okay, and then
Sir, you have created all the screens, sir. The pages.
actually I am not created here, I have just created for 22. Okay, so for you
Okay.
but the programming is same, so just keep this block in else part. Okay, so for next screen is like Kolkata, Chennai, the same, just copy the screen, make a duplicate here, just type Kolkata. Okay, so here it will show you Kolkata. So actually I have not created the screen, so if you have created the screen it will show you Kolkata. Just select Kolkata and place this in this part, in this health. Okay, so first screen Mumbai screen, you have just created Mumbai screen, if then else. Okay, so you have to keep this Delhi inside this Mumbai screen, this else. Okay, so just keep like this. So just create for the another city and just place this if to the previous else. Okay, so like this, just do it.
Sir, this is so huge, sir. This is so huge.
Yeah, just do, you're going to do for only 5-6 cities, right? So do the same for the uh, remaining cities also. Okay, so here once you create the screen, it will show you the screen name, you just select it. Okay,
Sir, what to do with the else part of the last block? Like the block of the city
just
that
leave
you
it,
put in
just leave it.
last?
No need to place anything, just leave it.
Sir, then how will we open it, sir? If you want to open Mumbai, how do we open?
Yes, actually if you select Mumbai, in list view, it will just switch to Mumbai screen. Okay, so if you click Mumbai, it will switch to Mumbai, like this it will change.
Okay, sir. Sir, then like now can you click and show once?
Yeah, actually here I have just created for only 3 screens, so that's why I have finished. Okay,
Okay, sir. No problem.
done, guys, once you're done, let me know. Okay, I'll show you how it works. So okay, I'll open the finished project.
Sir, after doing that, sir, then all the things will be done, sir, after
No, no, no,
making
no,
the blocks.
no. Actually, we are only completed for screen, home screen. Okay, so we have to complete for this one. We have to do for this one, uh, Mumbai screen, and for Kolkata. For each screen, we have to do programming, but same program. We have just copy
The
paste.
exact same.
Yeah, exact same. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, okay. So just complete this one. Okay, so guys, if you have AI companion, with your AI companion, just scan your okay, guys, if you have AI companion, just click connect and click this AI companion and just scan it and check it whether it is working or not, like this. So I'm going to check. So I'm scanning with AI companion.
Sir, can you click on Mumbai and show it to us?
Yeah, one minute. So I have opened it in my phone. Okay, so this one. So I'm just clicking Mumbai. So it switched to Mumbai screen. Actually, yeah. So like this. Actually, I need to. Actually, I have not completed this program. Okay. Can you see? So when I click Mumbai, it is.
Yes, sir.
So when I click Delhi, it is switching to Delhi. So Delhi is
Okay.
I have not created. So like this it will work.
Sir, how did you get this app in phone?
Actually, AI companion app, this one, AI. Can you see here AI 2 companion? Go to
Okay,
Play
sir.
Store. Go to Play Store and type AI companion. This one. Just type
Okay,
this one,
sir.
AI 2 companion, and
Sir,
download. Yeah, yeah.
sir, when I'm trying to connect my phone to the app inventor, it's saying that the companion is disconnected, even though my phone is right here.
So yeah, it may get disconnected due to some internet issue. So reconnect it. Try to reconnect it.
So I've been trying to reconnect for a few times, but it's saying the same thing.
Same thing. Okay. So okay, just complete the program and you can able to. So using, can you see here, build? Just click this build or try to connect with any other mobile, different mobile. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, just download
Sir,
the.
when can you go with build things, sir? Build.
Yeah, build is, so actually this connect is for checking purpose, for testing. Okay, so if
And
you have.
build is for like fully publishing it.
Yes. If you click this build Android app dot apk, it will create an Android app. It will make your program as an Android app, and it will show you QR code for download. Okay, so we can't make any changes after downloading. We can't make any changes in your app. Okay, so
Okay, sir. Then we have to very carefully do it, sir. Then.
yeah, so in connect the AI company using AI companion, so we can make changes. We can make changes and we can test using this QR code. Okay, so yeah, we completed screen 1. Okay, just go to so we have finished this list view part. So for switching screen, okay, so in screen just, so after it changed to this one, Mumbai screen. Okay guys, just take this one, just make this one title, not title, click this label 1. Okay, click this label 1 and make this invisible. Just take this visibility tick in label 1. Okay, in screen Mumbai, Delhi, or in any city screen, go to label and make it invisible. That make is untick. Just make visibility untick. Okay, just make it. So then guys, don't forget to add this one, like just check whether you have added text to speech in each screen. You have to add this one.
Yes, sir. Text to speech also should be there.
Yeah, text to, sorry, here just text to speech. Just check whether in all screens, just first, yeah, Pranav.
Sir, when I'm trying with another mobile also, it's still disconnected.
It's showing same. Okay, okay, I think it's due to some network or any problem. Okay, just complete this app and just go to build and download the app and check whether it is working correctly or
sir.
not. Okay, so if it is not working, no problem, just check the program, do some changes and delete that app and download from the first, because it will take some time. So that's why we are not using build for testing. We not use build because it will takes more time. Okay, okay, but it will work, it will work okay guys, just make this text invisible and just make sure you have added this text to speech in all the screens. Okay, so and go to this one, blocks, click this one, blocks. Okay, so we are going to program for the screens. Okay, the city screens, it's very simple. So what is the concept? The concept is when I click this text button, this visibility, the text inside this label should get appear. Okay, so and when I click this voice, it should read that text which is inside the label. When I press this home, it should return to the home screen. Simple. We are going to program for button. Here our component is button and label. Okay, so click this one, block. So button 1, so button 1 is text, correct? So button 1 is text. Just take this one. When button 1 clicked, okay, just take, when button 1 clicked, the text inside the label should get appear. The text inside the label should get appear. So initially we made it disappear. We made it disappear. So here through coding we are going to make it appear. Text inside the label. So click label. Take the second one, this one, set label. Okay, so like, yeah, we can change. Okay, set label, keep it here, set label visible. Okay, so we already made label invisible. Okay, here we are going to set label visible through coding. Okay, so just click label and take this one and just click this option and make it visible. Okay, So that actually this block will not complete. Okay, so we need to confirm it. So we want to set label visibility true. Click here logic, click this one logic, okay, and take this one true and place it here. So if you want to make it visible, you want to make set label visible. If you want to make it invisible, you want to make set label visibility false. Simple.
Sir, how did you get the when button click?
When button, yeah, click on this button one. Here, first one. Okay. So each components. Okay. So we are only using buttons and label. So in button we are using 3 buttons: button 1, button 2, button 3. We have name. Just click on the button. You can find the blocks. Button 1 is here. Just click on this and take this. Done. Pranav, Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm still doing it.
Okay, Krishna Aditya.
Can you just explain again what does this block do?
Sorry. Block.
Sir, this small block which you wrote now, right? When button 1 is clicked and set label
Yeah, set label.
visible.
Yeah, label. Set label means it is in label. Can you see here label? Just take this one, label 1, and change it here visibility. Sorry, not
Yes, sir.
this one, not this one. You want to take set label here, this one, second one. Take this one and change it visible and place it here. Because
Okay, sir.
so why you are placing visibility true? True means on. So here, can you see label 1? I am clicking label 1 and I have already made it invisible. Okay, I ask you to make it untick. So this is label 1. This is text inside the label. So actually we initially we made it invisible. Okay, so we made it invisible. Here through coding we are going to make it visible. Like if I click button 1, the visibility is going to set label 1 visibility true on. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, so
Sir,
next,
could we do like a thing where if the button is clicked, then only it
no
will
no no
show, or else?
no. So no need. So when button 1 clicked, so this for button 1. So when button 1 click, set visibility on. Simple. Okay, when button 1 click, just make visibility on. So like if button 1 click, make visibility on. So how it works is, so if I should press the button forever. Okay, so when I leave the button, it will get disappear. If you use if condition, so I should continuously want to press this button. Okay, so I want, if I press it, it should get appear. That's it, the simple task. Okay, done. So we'll move to button 2. Button 2 is voice. Okay, so for voice we are going to use button 2 and text to speech. Okay, so click button 2. Same, take this one, first one, when button 2 clicked, or if you, or just copy this block and you can change it here also. Okay, so button 2 and we need text to speech. Text to speech, click this one, text to speech 1. Okay, click and take this one, call text to speech 1, speak message. Okay, call text to speech 1, speak message. Just take this and place it inside this button. Okay, so then so when this button to press, the text to speech get activated. Okay, so and it should read the text which is inside this label, right? It should read the text which is inside this label. this one.
Yes, sir.
So for that, so we have made this text to speech, call text to speech. Okay, so here we want to give like click label here, this one, click this label, take this first one. Okay, so instead of this background color, you should change here text. Okay, just give text. It will just read the text inside the label. It should read the text inside the label. Okay, so we have completed the second program. Button 2, for button 2 we completed. Simple. Button 2 we have components or button and text to speech. This is for activating text to speech. So so what we are just giving, what should read. Okay, it should read this text inside the label. So for this, click label, take this one and change it to text. Simple. Done. Guys, done.
Sir, doing, sir, doing, sir. It is.
Okay. Guys, completed.
One second, sir. Can you just keep the screen like this only?
Yeah, okay. So it's very easy. Okay, so this is for button 1. Same button 1 label, we have used label. Just click label and take this one, change it to here. For button
Sir,
1,
I'm unable to see that set label.
set label, click this one, label. Can you see here the
Sir, I don't have that label option here.
Okay, just go to your designer part and check whether you have label. You have added label here.
Designer.
So designer part, you should have label here.
No, sir.
You should add, right? That is, you should add this label and you should add some text here,
Okay, sir.
right? So you should add this label. Inside this label here, inside this label you should have some text. Okay, just check that.
Okay, sir, I added. So now it should come, I guess. How? Set label.
Yeah, yeah, it will come. Okay, guys, completed. Shreya, Pranav, Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to do for the screen. Sorry, 3. Third button. Anyone have any idea? So simple. Screen 3 is very simple. So if I click home screen, so screen 3 is home screen. If I click this one, it will just move to home screen. It is very simple. To switching screen, to switching screen, guys listen, this one control, click control, scroll down, take this one, open another screen, place it here, change here screen name, screen 1, simple, done. Just copy this, select button 3, go to control, scroll down and take open another screen, screen name, and change it to screen 1.
Sir?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
okay,
Sir, can you show that open another screen one more time?
yeah, go to control, okay, just scroll down, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then here just change it to screen 1, like this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, done, we complete. Yeah, this is completed the program. Okay, you should do the same for the remaining screens. Okay, so it is very easy. 1 minute, I'll show you.
Yes, sir, I did it now.
Okay, yeah, guys listen, for copying it's very easy. Can you see a back option here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, just grab your block and make a click on the back. Okay, so
Sir, all blocks?
yeah, all blocks, just grab it here and make a click, so it will just get added to your backpack. Can you see here? Added
Yes, sir.
in backpack. So same program we are going to do for all the screens. Okay, like Calcutta, just select Calcutta, go to backpack, just grab this, just do this, the same. Okay, actually I have not created for created, so that's why it's showing like this. So just same blocks for all the screens. The concept is same, right? So when text button is clicked, you should make the label visible, and when the second button is clicked, that is voice, it should read the text inside the label, and the third is when you click, so it should make full screen. So concept is same, so you can just copy the blocks and just add it to all this. Yeah, that's it. We finished this app. Okay, we completed this app. So don't forget to in label, don't forget to make it invisible, and add text. Don't forget to add text to speech. Okay. So this is the program we completed. Okay, I'll show you how it works. So guys, just check with your app MIT App Inventor. The MIT.
You love coffee. We love you. That's all simple.
Sir,
Yeah, one minute. Yeah.
sir, try making a code where if you press the button once, then the text will appear. But if you press it again, then it will disappear.
No, it will not disappear.
Sir, no, sir, I tried to make a code like that.
Oh, you like to make a code? Yeah. Mm, so if you press once,
Sir, can you just
it
check if it's
appear.
right?
Yeah, if you press once, it should get appear. So for make it disappear, I think you need to add another button. I'll show you. So
No, sir,
here,
can you just, sir, can you just like check my program? I'll share my screen.
one minute, one minute. Okay, okay, I'll check on it. So okay, one minute. I'll check. So guys, can you see my screen here? I have shared my mobile screen. So I'm just clicking Mumbai. So it's just switching to Mumbai. So now I'm clicking. Now I'm selecting text button. Clicking text button. So it's showing the text. So I'm now clicking voice. Mm, can you please?
Sir, what will happen if you click text button?
It will just make text appear on the. So when I click this text button, the text will get appear like this. So when I click this one, the voice, can you hear the voice? I can't hear the voice. Okay, so when I click this home button, it will just return to home. Simple. Okay, so yeah, so do this, do the copy the code and copy the same for all screens. Okay, yeah, who like to share your screen?
Sir, me, Pranav.
Pranav, yeah, Pranav, just share your screen.
Sir, can you see it now?
Oh, okay. So, okay, yeah. So, yeah, it will work, but if label one, if label one visibility is label one, label one visibility is equal to true, then false. Okay. Else make it visible. Okay. Is it working? Pranav, is it working?
Sir, my connection wasn't connecting, so I can't put it to the mobile, but I'll check it out.
Okay, just go to connect and just open your QR code.
Sir, it's not connecting.
No. I'll with my mobile I'll check.
So, but the program isn't finished yet. I have to still add stuff in the screen.
Okay. So just finish
So I'll
it
add
and
that.
check. Okay, just finish it and check. So when button
Okay.
one click, so when button one, okay. So initially, actually initially you should make your text visible. So then only this program will work. Okay, so you are just making it invisible, right?
Yes, sir.
So first you need to make it visible. So for this condition, for this program, so when button one click, it will just check whether it is the text is visible or not. So if it is visible, it will make it invisible, or else make it visible. Yeah, it will work, I think. Just make it
Okay, sir.
visible first. Okay, just make it visible, and if you press it, it will make it, or you can change it like this. So if like label 1 visibility is false, when you press it, make it true, or else make it disappear. But it will work. It will work. Just try
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay, guys. Yeah, stop sharing. Yeah, guys. You have any doubt? Shreya.
No, sir, no doubt, sir. No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, just copy this for all screens. Okay, copy this for all screens, and I like to give you a exercise. So with the same concept, okay, so with the same concept, you just try another similar app, like instead of this, instead of the city list, okay, instead of the city list, just give like your favorite personalities, your inspirational, your inspiration, or your favorite, or some inspiring personalities like Abdul Kalam, like that. Okay, so give so like make their names your favorite personality or my role model. Make a list of them, and if you click this, click their names in block, sorry, in screen, just create a screen name like the personality name with the personality name. Here just show their picture and some information about them. Okay, so yeah, this is the exercise for you. Okay, in next class, next week, you just complete this. Concept is similar, but only thing, you have to make your favorite role model or favorite person. Okay, guys. Shreya, Pranav,
Okay, sir.
Ritvik, yeah, guys. Okay, we end the class here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
we'll see you next class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah.